This AI tool that I'm about to share with you is going to change your print-on-demand experience forever, and I'm excited to walk you through the entire process to show you how it works. So see you soon on the other side.
Welcome to rock a world where vision comes alive. With design and coordination, we help you thrive. Beautiful events, crafted with care. Join us on the journey, we'll take you there. Subscribe today, don't miss a beat. Book a world events, watch your dreams grow.
By the way, guys, we offer event planning and design services, so you can check out our website www.rockaworld.com for more information. Best print-on-demand platform that we are going to be using in today's video is known as Kittl. So once you're done signing up, it's going to bring you to this page over here, and all you have to do is to click on this option that says New Project. You can also use the link that I put in the description down below to access Kittl AI. Now guys, it's going to bring you to this page over here. Like you can see, there is different things you can use Kittl AI for, but for today's video, we are focusing on print on demand. So you can choose to use this option over here, but you'll have to upgrade to a pro plan. This is why I'm going to go back and we use the option of popular. So I'm going to select the option that says t-shirt. This is going to be our example for today's video. So I'm going to click on that, and then after that we are going to go ahead and click on create. Then it's going to bring you to this page over here, so you can choose to work with the templates. For example, you can come over here under t-shirts, and then you click on show all. That's going to bring you a variety of t-shirt templates that you can go through, and if you find a particular one that you want to use, you will just click on it just like that, and then you'll be able to edit the template to your own liking, and then you use it. For today's video, we are not going to be using a template, so I'm going to take this out because we want to focus on the Kittl AI and we see how well it works. So I'm just going to take this out just like this. So I'm just going to delete it. Okay, so we are going to be using Kittl AI like I told you guys. So you're going to come over here and then you're going to click on that option that says Kittl AI. So we are going to focus on this design generator over here. So you're just going to click on it just like that, and then you're going to select the t-shirt option. So you want to input the prompt over here that describes the kind of t-shirt that you want to design. Okay, so if you don't have ideas, you can go ahead to use free tools like ChatGPT to come up with t-shirt ideas, trending ideas, or t-shirts that are selling on the market right now. Okay, just to show you a proper example, here is a prompt that I gave to ChatGPT to get some of the ideas that we are going to be using in today's video. So I came over to ChatGPT and I put in this prompt that said t-shirt text ideas, and like you can see, ChatGPT came up with different ideas in different niches. So you're just going to go through these, and if you find a particular one that you want to use, you're just going to work with that. Okay, so if you're focusing on a particular niche, you can only ask for t-shirt text ideas in that specific niche. Okay, so after the ideas, I also asked ChatGPT to provide colors that will bring out the ideas really well. And like you can see, for example, under the make money stroke hustle niche, it gave us the text idea, and then it went ahead to give us the colors as well. Like you can see, the text in neon green and white. That shirt should be matte black or charcoal gray. So this is the text we are going to be using. It says hustle mode on. Okay, so let me go through these different ones and I see which one I want us to work with in today's video. I have decided that we should work with this option number 2, which says AI is my assistant, not my competition. So we are going to go back to Kittl and then paste that over here just like this. So next we need to choose the color and the style. So for the color, you're just going to click over here. Then like you can see, there is different colors that you can choose from, or you can add your own. Okay, so let's go ahead and collect both the t-shirt and the text color. So let's begin with the text. I'm going to copy this and then we paste it in Kittl AI just like this, and then we are going to go and collect this second one over here. Okay, just like this, and then we are going to go back to Kittl and also position or place that over here as well, like you can see. Okay, then after that we are going to come over here and we select a style. So there is different styles over here, so let me go with cute because I want something cute, and then we are going to go ahead and click on generate to see what results it's going to come up with. Here are the results that it has come up with. Like you can see, it gives us 4 different designs that we can choose from. So you're going to look at those and see if there is any one of these that you want to work with. And if you're not happy with the results, you can always go back and regenerate. So let's first click on add all and we see how all 4 of them look like on our screen. So this is it, guys. This is clear. Okay, assisting with the tasks. Okay, this is not the message we put. Also, this is not the message. This came out really well. AI is my assistant. Not, but it's not finished. Like you can see, some details are missing. Like I said, guys, this is just an example, but if you want better results, you can always go ahead and regenerate. I have decided to generate with the Y2K and we see what results we are going to get at this time around. So let me click on generate and we see the results. Like you can see, it's in the process right now. Okay, these have come out really better than the previous ones, and in particular I like this one over here. So okay, let's first click on add all and we see what all 4 of them look like on the screen. Like you can see, so this one has the same exact wordings that we gave the AI, and then these other ones have a few changes, but still they make sense. In particular, I like this design over here. So let me first take this out and we'll work with that individual design, this one over here. So like you can see, it says assistant. AI is here to help. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, but you can go further to edit this if you want to by clicking over here where it says Kittl Copilot, and like you can see, so if you want to change text, you can go ahead and click on that. If you want to change the style, you can restyle. If you want to generate a new image, you're going to do that by clicking over here. Then all you have to do is to input the prompt of the image that you want. Also, if you want to change the color, that option is over there, like you can see. So I wouldn't want to change a thing about this image. I really think it came out great, and this is what we are going to be using. Let's put it onto a mockup by clicking over here where it says mockup. Like you can see, we are going to go ahead and select this design over here. Then we are going to click on this option that says create mockup. So we are going to wait for that and go through the different mockups available, and then we are going to select a suitable one for our design. So let's just give that time. Like you can see, first the mockup we've been given is a regular t-shirt. So let's drag this and we zoom it in and we place it in the most suitable position. Like you can see, I think it looks good over there. So once you're happy with the results, you're just going to go ahead and click on download mockup. Okay, just like that, and it's going to download on your device, and then you'll be able to upload it wherever you're planning to sell your t-shirts, be it Redbubble, TeePublic, anywhere you're selling your t-shirts. Okay, let's come over here on the right and explore more mockup t-shirt designs over here. So you're just going to click on show all, and then we are going to go through the different mockups over here. So let's try it on this person over here. Let me just click on that and we see what it looks like. Okay, this doesn't look bad, but we need to position it really well on the t-shirt so that it fits perfectly well. So you just have to drag it by the corners and you make it bigger, just like this. Then you're just going to go ahead to move it around until it fits really well. I think this came out really great, guys, and I'm also interested to know how yours came out. Like, you can share with me in the comment section down below. Now let's go ahead and download this mockup as well. Then I'm going to show you how you can create different social media posts that are going to help you, market your t-shirts on different platforms. To create our social media post, we are going to go back to the editor. Once again, we are going to select this option of Kittl AI, just like that. We are going to go with social media post. Then down here, you're going to put what your post is about. So we want to create a post about a t-shirt ad. So I already input mine. You're just going to put that over there. And then you're going to change the color schemes to your own colors. Okay, so let's try something maybe red and yellow. I'm just picking randomly, guys. So you can change the style as well from here. Then after that, you're just going to go ahead and click on generate. So let's just wait and we see what results they're going to come up with this time around. So all these are nice. You're just going to look at them carefully and you see which one looks better for you, and you're going to select that particular one to work with. I like this particular one over here. So this is what we are going to use for today's example. Let's go ahead and delete these. Then we are going to work with this one only. So I'm just going to click on it just like that. Then we are going to come over here where it says uploads. So you'll go ahead and upload your designs. Like you can see, all you have to do is to click on this option that says upload. You'll be able to upload your designs. Like you can see mine over here. So you're going to click on the particular one that you want to use. So I'm going to be using this one over here. So I'm just going to click on it just like that. And like you can see, it surfaces on the screen over here. So I'm going to right click and then I'm going to send it backward. Okay, just like that. So I'm going to drag it by the corners so that it can cover, the other image of the mail that we had from the original design. Okay, so I'm just pushing this just like this, drag it by the corners, make sure it covers everything. If you've lost some of the details, you're just going to go back and follow the same steps. You're going to push it backward until you have everything really visible. Okay, now you're just going to reposition the text. Okay, that looks great. So what you're going to do is to click on the share button over here, and then you're going to download this project as a PNG. So we have 4 artboards. You can go ahead to make sure that you select only the one that you need. Then you'll proceed with the download process. So before we leave this step, I want to show you something else. So you can take the same steps for the advert as well. If you want to create an advert, still you're going to select this option. Let me first take out this. Okay, let's click on go back, and then at this time around you're going to click on the advert option. So still we need to create a t-shirt ad. So once you click on the generate option, they're going to generate for you results of different images that you can use as your advert. Okay, let's use this particular one over here. So I'm just going to click on it just like that. And what we are going to do is to come over to uploads, and then we are going to find one of the designs we generated earlier on. Then what you're going to do here is to first remove the background. So click on remove BG, and then we are going to give that a bit of time, like you can see. Once it's ready, we are just going to drag it and we make sure it covers the original t-shirt design. So what we are going to do is to push it backward like we did. Okay, so we want it behind the text. So let's push that really quick. Okay, just like that. Just like that. Okay, so you can drag it on this side. Just make sure that everything balances really well. Okay, like that. I think it looks good there. So once we are done, once again, all you have to do is to click on share, and then you download this as a PNG. For all of you winners who have come this far, I believe right now you can create your own t-shirt designs and also know how to create social media posts that are going to help you market your designs and you start making money online. Okay, but before you leave, I want to show you some of other Kittl AI powerful tools. For example, the image restyle. This is going to allow you to change an image style and keep the same content. Then it also has the sets generator, which allows you to generate graphic packs with content styling. So all you have to do is to give yourself time and go through these really quick to see how they also work. They're going to save you a lot of time when you're working on different products. There is also this image generator. It allows you to generate images from a text prompt. They are really easy to use. Okay, now that I've shared all that with you, it brings us to the end of today's video. And guys, thank you so much for watching. If you found value in today's video, I kindly request you to support the channel by liking this video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I'll be able to answer them as soon as I can. Thank you once again and see you in my next one. Bye.